You could save quite a bit of money by DIYing your own trolling motor mount. I got a 10 feet strut channel from Home Depot for $26. Figure out where your trolling motor needs to be for mounting. Mine's going in the middle of my kayak. After you cut your strut, make sure to file away the sharp edges. I'm using speed nuts I have in my toolbox for my track fasteners. If you don't have speed nuts, just buy the kayak track bolts. This M6 speed nut fit in the kayak track perfectly. Your washer needs to be as big as the strut to ensure maximum strength. Now just torque it down. Test fit your motor. I hope you enjoyed this DIY as much as I enjoyed making it. Be safe out there, and tightline.